and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. Betty is so excited today about Assembly. She is just over the moon, aren't you? You are, about sharing all the good news of the awards the children have made and received this week. Well, you enjoyed the week. She did enjoy the week. And it's the last day of this half term, and next week is half term break. So we have a week off of school. Or you have some nice things planned. You do? Yeah. I hope you have some nice things planned as well. Okay, so are we ready for the awards? Over there, Betty. Okay, so here goes Betty. Right, everyone. Are you ready? First, we have the Going for Gold Awards. And the first we have is Leeds class. We have Willow G for always being cheerful in nursery. And Harper P for painting number 3s carefully. In York class, we have Harper for always trying her best in all areas of learning, and Olivia for being able to recognize the dots on the dice and tell an adult what number it represented. In Hull class, we have Jacob for working so hard to spell words and read right ink, and Henry for good effort in maths, thinking hard about tens and ones. In Nottingham class, we have Violet for her fantastic work in science around seasonal changes, and also Oliver for trying his best in all the lessons. In Liverpool class, we have Andy for a great alternative story to the Three Little Pigs. Also, we have Daisy for super work in maths on fractions. In Cardiff class, we have Evie for joining in and contributing well in lessons, and Isabel for asking good questions in the topic lesson. In Edinburgh, we have Rosie for absolutely blowing her teacher away with her maths work this last few weeks. And Layton for super effort in the writing of the Stone Age Boy. In Cambridge class, we have Nicola for showing great initiative when learning all about first aid and emergencies. And Bailey for having a positive attitude towards learning. He has really focused this week. In London class, we have Jessica for working exceptionally hard to learn her spellings in class. And we have Jacob P for working hard on his persuasive letter. In Oxford class, we have all of Oxford class, their dedication and hard work this half term. We also have Patrick's for his determination to succeed in all the subjects. In Lincoln class, we have Emmanuel for a fantastic flower and pot piece of artwork. And in Chester class, we have Louie for a great effort with reading. Well done to all of you. You know I am so very proud of you. Keep it up. Well done. Now we have the Year of Being Healthy Award. In Lee's class, we have Julia for carefully walking on the stilts in the outdoor area. We also have Nadia for carefully walking on the stilts as well in the outdoor area. In York class, we have Esme for always drinking lots of water, and Daniel for always eating his packed lunch. In Hull class, we have Zach for enjoying circle time fun with his friends, and Anaya for looking after her friend very well. In Nottingham class, we have Ruby for always having a positive attitude towards her learning, and Tristan for showing resilience when building a house for the Three Little Pigs. In Liverpool class, we have all of Liverpool class for showing resilience in PE and not giving up. We also have Michelle for having a positive attitude to learning. In Cardiff class, we have Tommy for always coming to school in his PE kit ready for the lesson, and George for always having a positive attitude. In Edinburgh class, we have Ella for developing strategies for keeping a healthy mind, and Darcy for being a kind friend at break times. In Cambridge class, we have Kristen for being a good friend and showing kindness, and Oscar for trying new foods in the dinner hall. In London class, we have Amelia for being independent in her learning, and Poppy for being confident in first aid week. In Oxford class, we have Brooke for his increased confidence to answer questions in class, and Harley J for making healthy lunch choices in the dinner hall. In Lincoln class, we have Abraham for following boundaries both indoors and outdoors. And in Chester class, we have Keegan for having a positive attitude to learning all week. Well done to all of you children. You're being healthy and you're still doing so well. Excellent. Okay, everyone, like I said, next week is half term. Make sure you listen to your adults and that you keep safe. And when we come back after half term, we have lots of exciting things that we're going to be doing. We have World Book Day. We have Year 5s going on a residential. We have lots of Easter activities that are going to be happening as well. So be ready, be prepared for lots of really good learning opportunities and exciting activities that we're going to be taking part in. Have a good week. Can't wait to see you when we get back. Bye.